Well, let's kick off our trading session. The first situation looks quite interesting on the Czech franc and Japanese yen currency pair. Here we can see an ascending channel. Right now we're in the perfect position to either, in case we confidently break this channel, we will go for a drop. Greetings, fellow trader. I'm thrilled that my channel has piqued your interest, and I really appreciate your viewership, engagement through your comments and likes. If you haven't already, please take a moment to subscribe to this YouTube channel. You'll get access to a wealth of captivating and insightful content. Moreover, I'm available to serve as your dedicated trader. To embark on this journey, simply subscribe to my Telegram channel and receive a plethora of precise trading signals from my end. Well, let's kick off our trading session. The first situation looks quite interesting on the Czech franc and Japanese yen currency pair. Let's take a closer look. Or rather, let's be more precise. Here we can see an ascending channel, and at the top, there is a small resistance zone. Nevertheless, we'll still be approaching it. Most likely we'll be breaking through it. We're at the right moment for it now. Right now, we're in the perfect position to either, let's see, in case we confidently break this channel, we will go for a drop. If we don't break this channel, we will go for an increase. Now let's see what's happening on the 15-second time frame. On the 15-second time frame, we're currently heading down. If we look at the bigger picture, the trend is upward. Here in this zone, there are no resistance or support zones, so I think it will go down. I believe it will go down for a breakthrough, so let's go for a 3-minute drop at $300. This is a relatively simple trade, so to speak. I've used the simplest technical analysis, the one that anyone can understand. Overall, since we've closed below our channel, I expect further drops. In case the trade ends in a loss, we will activate a martingale technique and open an offset trade. Let's take a look at the alligator for now. Activating the alligator. Yes, in general, even the alligator suggests that we should go for a drop now. However, we can see that we've grown slightly. Let's prepare another trade right away at $600 for 3 minutes, but we will wait for the current trade to finish first. As you can see, our trade closes in profit despite, our trade closed at a profit of 33 PIPs, which is quite good. Even though we dipped a bit, even the alligator indicated that we would continue to drop. So what I saw here, on the alligator, we can see that the green line started crossing the red and blue lines downwards. This indicates that our chart is reversing, and instead of an upward movement, we will continue to move downward. So the situation was quite interesting and worked out quite well. Let's start looking for the next opportunity. Although actually we can enter the same currency pair. I'm looking at it right now. Similarly for a drop, but this time for 5 minutes. Let's open a 5-minute trade for a drop on the same currency pair. Right now we're waiting for a slight rise, and after that we'll go for the drop. I think in general, in the current position, it's already a good time to enter. We're going for a drop. We see that our alligator has fully opened. If we look at this chart, we can see that our lines have diverged significantly. This tells us that a very strong trend is starting now. So we're expecting a strong downward trend. Of course, it might rise a bit now, but nevertheless, we didn't enter for 5 minutes for no reason. We have a buffer for this slight rise, and then we expect a drop. So let's wait for this 5 minutes and see our practical result. Well, as you can see, the second trade closes much more confidently in profit. We get another profit, another $240. We had a movement of 86 pips in our favor, so overall we can start looking for the next opportunity. An interesting situation in the euro and Japanese yen currency pair. Here I'd like to go for an increase right now. Let's go for an increase here for 5 minutes. If we look at the chart, we'll see. On the 15-second chart, we don't see much actually. But we switch to 2-minute chart. Here we can see a very strong support zone, a really good one. Here we saw the first bounce, the second breakthrough. We tried to break it, but still within 1 minute we returned back and started going up. And even now we started breaking it, but nevertheless we bounced back. So now I expect further growth over the next 5 minutes. Well, let's wait for 4 minutes and then look at our actual result. And as we can see, our trade closes in a very pleasing plus. A whopping 50 pips in the plus, so everything went very confidently. It's quite challenging to find an even more confident trade in the current market. It is quite challenging, so we got the plus we wanted. I have accumulated more than 5 years of experience in the trading world. My expertise is grounded in this extensive journey. If you're interested in trading alongside me, consider subscribing to my Telegram channel. There you will receive meticulously crafted signals on a daily basis. Additionally, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button on my YouTube channel. It's been a pleasure connecting with all of you, and I eagerly await your likes and comments. Farewell for now.